Hello everyone, welcome back to Agape Love. Today I'm showing you how to crochet this adorable mini bag that perfectly hold your cards, coin, cash or even AirPods. It's tiny, super practical, works up so fast and really perfect for the beginners. So without wasting any time, let's start it. Crochet hook is 4.0 mm and we will start by making a slip knot. Make a cross like this. Now insert your hook into this loop and make it tight and work 20 chains. So yarn over your hook and pull through this loop. This is our chain 1. And like this, we will work 20 chains. And if you want to increase the size of your bag, you can increase the chains by 10. Now let's finish 20 chains. And 20 chain is complete. Now we will add 2 more chains. Now yarn over your hook and skip 1 and 2 chain into third opening. Insert your hook, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So this is half double crochet stitch. Again, you have 3 loops on your hook. Pull through all 3. And like this, we will complete our first row. So here I am using half double crochet stitch so that the pattern comes out nice and dense, so that your coins won't fall out through any gap. If you prefer double crochet stitch, you can switch to that, but make sure to go down hook size so that there aren't any holes in your pattern. So like this, let's complete our stitch with half double crochet stitch. So our row 1 is complete with half double crochet stitches. And now for the next step, we will not start next row but work in these foundation chains downward. So simply yarn over your hook into this first chain where we did our last half double crochet. Insert your hook and work half double crochet stitch. Like this into next gap. Again work half double crochet stitch. And make sure that on the other side you have 20 half double crochet, not 19, not 21, complete 20 half double crochet like we had in our previous row. So let's complete our row, and this is how your stitches are supposed to look like. Let's complete, and now my row is complete. And now for the next row where we did our first half double crochet, we will work over that stitch. So first we will skip our first half double crochet into next one, insert your hook and work half double crochet stitch like this. And this will be the corner of our bag, and like this simply work half double crochet in all around the stitches. And our this third row is complete. And now again for the next row, same process. For this row, we will work half double crochet in each of the stitch till the end. And now you can see it's taking shape of the bag, and this is the base. Our 2 rows in both sides is complete. And now we will change color from this side. So I have make a long loop, and to change color we will insert our hook into these 2 loops and choose the desirable color yarn and pull a loop from these 2 loops. And now we will work puff stitch, but make sure that you have secured the end like this. And for the puff stitch, we will work into our next stitch. Yarn over your hook. Now insert your hook into this stitch, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, and once again yarn over your hook, insert your hook, pull up a loop. And then for the last time, yarn over your hook, insert your hook and pull up a loop. Once you have 7 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all these 7 loops and make sure to tight the end. And now work 1 chain and into next stitch 1 single crochet. Insert your hook, pull up a loop and pull through 2. And now don't forget to loose the bigger loop we had with this white yarn. Just pull the white yarn and your stitch is perfect. And now we will work puff stitch and 1 single crochet stitch all around our bag. So yarn over, insert your hook and pull up a loop 3 times. 7 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 7, chain 1 and then 1 single crochet stitch. And like this we will work all around the bag. And our third row with puff stitch is complete. And you need to make sure that you always end with 1 single crochet stitch. So after your row is complete, now we will again change color to the white. Here you can see that you have 2 loops of 1 single crochet stitch. First make a long loop like this. Now insert your hook into these 2 loops to change the color. And then pull a loop of the white color yarn. And after this comes the tricky part. Insert your hook into the puff stitch and work 1/2 double crochet. And then we have our single crochet stitch. We will work into this gap 1/2 double crochet. And then again into second gap of our 1 single crochet stitch. And now we will not work over our bobble stitch. We will skip our bobble stitch, and in between these single crochet gaps we will work 1/2 double crochet. And again the next stitch gap 1/2 double crochet and skip bobble stitch. This is the bobble stitch. We will skip this, but into next single crochet gap we will work our 1/2 double crochet stitch. And like this we will work 2 rounds of our 1/2 double crochet stitch, and then again change color, work bobble stitch, and like this we will complete the length of the bag. Here you can see our 2 rows of 1/2 double crochet and 1 bobble stitch. Like this just complete the length of the bag. And here I have completed 8 rows of 1/2 double crochet stitch and 3 rows of bobble stitch. So this is the length I want for my bag, and if you want to increase you can increase the rows, but I want a small bag, so this is perfect. And now after completing our 1/2 double crochet row, we will work 1 slip stitch into our next stitch to complete this round. For slip stitch, insert your hook into next stitch and then pull a loop, pull through this loop, and then chain 1, make a long loop and cut off the yarn of both color, not only white. Okay, so let's cut the yarn. First the white one and make it tight, and we will hide the tail in the end. Then also cut this yarn. Now the main base of the bag is complete. Let's hide this tail. And now for the strap, first we will make a slip knot, and then insert your hook into this loop and work 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After 4 chains we will add 2 more chains. 1, 2, and now skip 2 chains and into third opening work 1/2 double crochet. Like this, do 1/2 double crochet in all these 3 chains. And after 4 1/2 double crochet we will do chain 1 and then turn your work and work 1/2 double crochet in all these stitches. And this is how your row 2 will look like. And like again we will chain 1, turn your work and work 1/2 double crochet in each of this stitch. And like this we will work 30 rows in total for one strap. let's complete till 30 rows. And 30 rows are complete. Let's do last half double crochet and then chain 1, cut off the yarn. So our first strap is complete. Like this, we will make one more strap because we will add 2 straps to our bag. Let's complete. And here our 2 straps are complete with 30 rows in each. And now we will not just simply attach these straps to the bag. We will make circular strap. I don't know what the strap is called. I just called it circular. So first we will use the needle and the same color yarn in the needle. And we will skip 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and from the 5th row we will make it round like this and stitch this part to attach both the edges. And English is not my first language, so please bear with me. Okay, so let's complete this sewing part. We will sew this till the not the end but till the last 5th row. So let's complete this. And after sewing, this is how our one strap will look like. And 1, 2, 3, 4, our 4 stitches from both sides are there. And with these stitches, we will attach strap to the bag. And like this. Okay, so I'm just checking the length of these 4 rows. And like this, we will make one more strap. This is how your strap is supposed to look like. Let's make one more identical to this. And then simply we will attach this strap to the bag with the help of the needle. And please watch closely how to sew this strap to the bag. And this is how you make this cute crochet mini bag. If you like this tutorial, please make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye, happy crocheting.